look at the double and triple swipe function. Remember, we can, with KT1 controller, with KT400 controller, you can enable at the door, at the reader. For example, let's see here, I have enable multi-swipe. So once I do that, I have a new tab coming up. That's where we need to go to program the multi-swipe function. We'll have to add a schedule first. Here I add always valid schedule, but you can build your custom one if it's not something you want 24/7. And as for option, I have activate relay, deactivate relay, lock door, request to arm. That if we have, for example, integration with intrusion, right? So after you have your integration done, you could use that. There is some additional setting to do here, but once you do that, you're good to go. You can swipe twice at the reader and to request the system to arm. We can temporarily activate relay, temporarily unlock door, toggle relay, unlock door, right? So you know what? Let's go with temporary activate relay over here. And we can select the relay. Of course, if we select temporary activate relay, we need to say which relay we want. I'm gonna go with my air conditioning. So in that case, when I get to that reader, I swipe twice, it will start my air conditioning. I mean, the relay will activate, which actually manage the air over here. Good. So that's it. We have completed the programming at the door. One more thing, we'll also need at the user, select the user we want to have that function available. It's not by default to all user, right? For example, I have a user here. Let me swipe to a door. I'm gonna use this user at the event. Right click, cards, and I'm gonna go to miscellaneous. And here, I have to add. I already had that in my user, as far I can see, but it's not automatic, right? You need to allow multi-swipe. And as you can see, only KT4 and KT100. Okay, good. Now, let's see how that works out. Let's do some cleanup. Also, since we programmed to activate relay, let's set our relay here. Let's not forget. Let's take a look what we have in here. Here we have KT300. That's not what we're using. We're going to use the KT400 here. Okay, so we set for double swipe. Cool. Let's see. Let's swipe twice. Oh no. Here we go. So here I have action double swipe. So we do have activation. I have it mixed up with my languages here. Okay. And since I had it for 10 to 15 seconds, I forget how much time, but also we can see that in the icon, right? So not only in the event, all right. Now, if I take a look at my icon in here, I see the relay is activated. And after the time, it will goes off. Now, what happens if I use a card? I have another card here. Wait. Okay, I have another card here. If I swipe twice, oops, it's not doing anything. Why? Because here it's saying that it's not permit. The double swipe is not permit. All right, I need to fix my languages, but okay. Now let's do a triple swipe. Let's go do a triple swipe. Swipe 3 times at my lunchroom. All right, I'm at the lunchroom. I need to enable the multi-swipe. I go here, put the schedule. So let's say the lunch anyhow is between, I'm gonna make a custom schedule here. So you see if this can be done from here without lunch time. No. It's gonna be from 12:30 to 13:30, and for Monday. All right. So at between that time, that function will work at the door. Okay. And I was planning on a triple swipe, and I wanted to temporarily unlock door. And as for time, you can go from 1 second to 18 hours and 12 minutes, 15 seconds, a lot of time. So I'm gonna unlock the door for one. I mean, we could unlock it for 1 hour, but you know what? I'm not gonna do that. 10 minutes also will be too big. So this time I'm gonna go 35 seconds. That's it. I don't need to select anything because I'm the option I select is tap on unlock door, and I'm at the door. Cool. Okay, let's put the view again. Quick card. 1, 2, 3. And we have the triple swipe working just fine. We have a lot of stuff that we can do with double or triple swipe. Remember, the KT400 has 4 wheelie. We're not talking about the lock output. Those are 4 additional, 4 wheelie that you can use for other stuff. Right? Like we're using here for the air conditioning and to turn off or turn on the light, which are just using reader. I hope that quick video help you remember the option and remember a lot of stuff that you can do with those. Thank you very much.